Let's take a look at the lesson, time patterns. It says choose the missing time. Well, let's first find what each of the other times are. Here I can see that the hour is between the 6 and the 7, so I know it is still in the hour of 6. And the minute is pointing at the 9. Let's count by 5s to find what that is. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Here, the hour is pointing between the 7 and the 8, so I know it is still the hour of 7. And it is also pointing at the 9, so that is 45. This is our missing time. This one is pointing between the 9 and the 10, so I know it's the hour of 9. And it's pointing at the 9, so I know that is 45 minutes. Here we have the hour hand between the 10 and the 11, so I know that is the hour of 10 and 45 minutes. So now I see 6:45, 7:45, the missing one, 9:45, then 10:45. So I see that the minute stays the same each time and that the hour goes up by 1, 6, 7, so this will be 8:45. And then 9:45 and 10:45. So which clock down here shows 8:45? I can tell it is not this one because this is pointing right at the 12, so that would be o'clock. This one is pointing between the 8 and the 9, so that is 8. And it is pointing at the 9 for the minute hand, which is 45. So 8:45, it's this one. Choose the missing time. Here we have 12:30, 1:30, 2:30, 3:30. So I can tell it's going up by an hour each time. Well, if we think about the clock, and we know that it goes 12, 1, 2, 3. If we went all the way around the clock, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, then it would start over 1, 2, 3. So we're trying to think what would be right before the hour of 12. Yeah, the number that comes before 12, right? 11. So 11:30, not 7:30. Here it wants us to choose the missing time. Well, I can see that this is going from 12:15 to 2:15. So we are not just skipping 1 hour, we skipped 2 hours. So that was adding 2 hours. Here we also added 2 hours from 2:15 to 4:15. Here we added 2 hours from 4:15 to 6:15. Well, if we're at 12:15 now, we're going to go back. So if we went back, we're going to have to subtract 2 from that hour. So if we subtracted 2 hours from 12:15, what time would that be? Yeah, 10:15. Definitely not 12:15 because that's the same time. So 10:15 is our answer. Here we have 3:15, and then our missing number, 5:15, 6:15, 7:15. Well, again, I can look at the hour and see what's changing. The minutes are not, so let's see how much it changes. 3, and then blank, 5, 6, 7. So it's just going up by 1. So 3, the blank one, is 4:15. Great, 4:15. Here we have choose the missing time. I can see that this is showing 2 o'clock because the hour is on the 2 and the minute hand is on the 12, which tells us that's o'clock. Here the hour is on the 3, the minute hand is on the 12, so that's o'clock. Here the hour is on the 4, minute hand is on the 12, so that's o'clock. Here the hour is on the 5. And so I can see 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. Next we'd be looking for 6 o'clock. I know it's not this one because the minute hand is not at the 12, meaning o'clock. It is at the 3, so that would be 15 minutes. Here we have the hour hand at the 6, so 6, and the minute hand at the 12, so o'clock, 6 o'clock. Choose the missing time, 5:30, 7:30, and then from 7:30 to our missing number. Our missing number to 11:30 and 11:30 to 1:30. Well, let's see, 5, 6, 7. So we're adding 2 hours here. We're not sure about this one, not sure about the next one, but 11:30 to 1:30 11, 12, 1. Ah, that's 2 hours as well. So I know I'm adding 2 hours each time. So 5:30 plus 2 hours is 7:30. 7:30 plus 2 hours would be 9:30. Let's check. 9:30 plus 2 hours? Yep, that would be 11:30. So 9:30 is our missing time. All right, now we have a missing number, but then we can look at 12 to 2. Oh, that's 2 hours. 2 to 4, that's also 2 hours. 4 to 6, that is also 2 hours. So if we've been adding, if we're going to go backwards, we need to subtract 2 hours. 12 minus 2 is what? Yeah, 10. Great job. So 10 o'clock. Here we have 1:30, then our blank one, then 3:30, 4:30, 5:30. Ah, so if I look at my two options, I know it has to be one that ends with 30, and this one does not. So it must be 2:30, but let's check. 1:30, 2:30, 3:30, 4:30, 5:30. Absolutely, we're adding 1 hour every time. Here we have 12, 1, 2, 3. What do you hear come next? Yeah, 4. They're just going in order. Let's look at this one. We have the missing number then. 12:45, 1:45, 2:45, 3:45. Well, I can see we can count backwards. 3:45, 2:45, 1:45. We get to 12, 12:45. What would be 1 hour before 12? Yeah, 11:45. So we know it must be this option. Amazing job, friends.